You did not.
I walked up to you and let you know.
In the suit.
No.
What the fuck you were talking about?
I do know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Is this professional?
That's why I came here to confirm. Don't cuss at me, man. Calm your ass down. Walk down the grand staircase. Walk down the grand staircase. Bro, I swear to God.
Touch me.
First, I'm going to trespass you. First, I'm going to trespass you. And if you don't leave after that, I'm going to arrest you.
Look, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy.
With the phone, that's fine, but
Yes, it is with the phone.
It is with the phone, but when it comes to like, you know, this kind of equipment, it's not allowed by management. You gotta get a permission by them to do it. What are you guys doing anyway? You guys?
That's a cell phone.
Yeah, I know, but it's with equipment. You know, you gotta.
I can't take a picture of me in front of this phone.
You can take a picture, just don't do anything professional. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah,
you need permission with management. That's why I'm coming over here to confirm.
To all the tourists that come here?
Yes, sir. If they're just taking a picture with the cell phone, that's fine.
What do you think I'm doing?
It looks like a lot. I don't see a lot of people with that kind of equipment.
Are you holding this?
No.
Then you're assuming you have no idea what
Which is why I'm coming over here to confirm with you.
Do you want me to leave?
Well, the property is closed now. We closed at 10 o'clock. I just got here to tell everybody this. No. Parking is 24 hours.
Okay, because we just parked and we're just walking through. So saying we like to take a picture without being harassed.
I just don't want to be harassed.
I'm not harassing you. I'm just doing my job.
Bye.
Okay?
So your issue is that we're allowed to film with a phone, but your issue is his equipment is different equipment and he is not.
I'm just coming in here to confirm that it's not what I think it is. I saw the equipment, it looked professional. I came over to make sure you guys weren't doing anything professional. You guys aren't.
Do I have a $10,000 camera?
No.
Well, what determines professional? The equipment? Is that what you're saying?
You know, the bigger cameras, the bigger type of photography cameras.
Cell phone.
That's why I came here to confirm. When I got here, that's why I came here to confirm with you. When I got here, I'm okay, so that's a cell phone. Now all I got to do is let you know that we're closed. That's fine. So that's why I came here to confirm with you.
Said anything.
But I have to come in and make sure that it's not, dude. Whoa, hold on, man. Don't cuss me. You guys do have to go though. It's closed. So you closed at 10 o'clock. I was about to. I was about to. No, he's a security guard here too. So he's a security guard too.
I don't need yap from him.
I didn't say a word.
He's telling you the same thing.
I didn't say a word. You're not going to disrespect my supervisor. I'm not. I didn't even say shit
Get
yet.
off property, please. We closed at 10
You're gonna
o'clock.
make it. No, don't tell me to go. You have to go. You have to go. You'll leave right now.
Sir, so I'm just gonna tell you professionally.
Okay, let me conduct my business. Leave me alone.
No. You don't have no business here anymore because we closed at 10 o'clock. Leave, please.
I'm waiting. You guys interrupted me when I was
we
trying to
closed
do
at
what
10
I was
o'clock.
doing.
I can't take a picture.
I'm sorry, man. We can't take any pictures like that. You guys can take them yourselves if you want, but we can't do it. Sorry. But you guys, you gotta go. It's 10 o'clock.
Okay, give me. You interrupted me. I was just about ready to take the picture. You interrupted me. So please go away.
I'm not going away. You can't ask me to go away. I was hired by this building to enforce this code of
I
conduct.
understand that, but you interrupted me when I was, and you assumed that I was professional doing what I'm doing.
Which is why I came to confirm with you. Now I see it is not, but now all I
Then
gotta do
walk
is
away
I
and
can't
leave
because
me
the property
alone.
is closed.
Okay,
What is your problem?
Let me take my
what don't you
goddamn picture.
understand that
Why
the
are
code
you
of
being
conduct
so
is forcing me
unprofessional?
to tell you that the property is closed
Okay.
now. All you had to do is say, okay, God, let
And
me.
that's what I said.
No,
I've been-
you
How
didn't.
many times have I been saying, okay, walk away, let me do my picture? You're sitting here running your mouth. to me.
No. You know what? Because you told me fuck you.
fuck
that's
you.
okay. Well, there you go. The property's closed.
saying
Get the
fuck
hell out of
you.
here. Leave before we trespass. If you return within 1 year, yes, I am. Yes, I can. All right, then.
Fuck off.
All right.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna take a
leaving.
picture of your face. Okay, leave.
Wow. Bunch of bitches. What the fuck are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
You guys are unprofessional.
No, I came at you politely and professionally.
No, you
started
did
talking.
not.
Yes, I did.
You did not.
I walked up to you and let you know.
What the fuck you were talking
I
about?
do know what the fuck I'm talking
Is
about.
this professional?
That's
bitch?
why I came here to confirm. Don't cuss at me, man. Calm your ass down. Walk
Fuck
down the grand
you.
staircase. Walk down the
Fuck
grand staircase.
you.
Bro, I swear to
You
God.
touch me
First,
and I
I'm
will
gonna
sue your
trespass you.
fucking
First, I'm
ass.
gonna trespass
You ain't
you.
gonna
And if
trespass
you don't leave
shit.
after that, I'm gonna arrest you.
I'm leaving. You can't
All right,
arrest
then.
nothing.
Bet. I will.
You are to observe and report.
Nah, you know my job. Don't tell me you know my job. You don't fucking know my
Do
job.
not get in
Walk
front
down.
of me.
Get out of here.
I am walking out, cocksucker.
All right,
You're
go.
a
Get the hell out of
fucking
here.
punk.
Yeah, whatever. I guarantee you won't be
You're the
sad.
one acting all hard. You're the one acting all
Keep
hard.
walking. Keep walking down.
That's fair. Yeah, go ahead.